Hello everyone. So today we will do a video about how to uh, commission, configure, program the ABB CP600 HMI touchscreen HMI, and how we can connect this HMI screen to the ABB AC500 PLC. So today I have got CP651 uh, and basically this is the setup. So CP651 has one 24 volt power supply, power input, and you have two Ethernet port. And this Ethernet port is just like a switch. You can use any one. So right now I am using this port. I have connected this cable to directly to the PLC Ethernet port, and this port I have directly connected to my laptop for commissioning this. So let's get started. So the software I'm using is Panel Builder 600 to commission. So let's create a new project, and the one that I have is CP651. So I'm using it for HMI. So this is the resolution. Okay, so this means I'll be using this way. So click finish. So it creates the project file. Now first thing that we have to do is we have to click the protocol. This is what for how we are going to communicate with the PLC. So I'm going to use I am having AC500 PLC, so I'm going to use the Ethernet port of PLC. So I will click this and it gives options. So here you need to mention what is your IP address of the PLC. So my PLC IP address is 192.168.100.81 and port number is 1201, and block size you can keep it same, or if you have bigger files you can increase it. It's up to you. So TCP, I'll be using TCP/IP protocol, and all this is I'll keep it default. Okay, so protocol is done. Now either we can start creating the page, or first we will see if our firmware everything is matching with the software. So just to see that, what we can do is, here you have an option in run, you have an option called manage target. Okay, and before going to that, first we have to set the IP address of the device. Okay, so to do that, what we have to do is, first you need to power up the device. Okay, so when you power up the device, if your device is like brand new, you don't have any firmware inside, you will have an option called system settings. When you power on the device, this you will have a system settings option here. You can click that and you can go to the configuration menu. Suppose if you have already a firmware inside, what you have to do is, when you power on, start tapping like this, tapping on the screen, and you have to continuously tap the screen until you get a screen like this. So what it says is, the tap is detected, it is going to the configuration mode. So I'll just skip this. So once it enters the configuration mode, you will get a menu like this. So you can touch here to scroll this menu, or what I have done is I have connected a mouse. There is a USB port here. There is a USB port here, so I have connected a mouse in this, or you can just touch it. It's up to you. you need to go to network. This is network. So click on network. There you have the option to set the IP address. So right now the IP address I have set is 192.168.156.255.255.0. Then gateway, if you have the gateway address, you can keep 192.168.101. So here, by using this on-screen keyboard, you can change this address. So I just changed to 55. So now my address is 192.168.155. Then just click OK. OK. Then you need to scroll it and click restart. So this is the restart. Just click it. Click OK. And click yes. So this will restart the system, and your new IP address will be 192.168.155. So we will just ping it and see. Okay, so I have the communication with the HMI right now. So first, in the managed target, we need to check if our 192.168.100.55. So here we will check first if our software, that is the version that I am using is 2.0.1. okay, so first we will see if our version, software version, and the HMI version is matching. So we'll click on update runtime, and it is checking, and it says that the one that software that I am using is a higher end than the target. So first thing we have to do is we have to update this firmware. So if your firmware is matching, then you don't need to do this. So this should be the first thing when you should check while commissioning a new device. So let's click proceed. So this is going to update. This will take some time. Okay, so update is successful. Now we can create the pages, tags, everything, and you can see how it works. Okay, so now we will see how we can add the tags. Tags are the variables that you are going to communicate with the PLC, like which variable need to come to the HMI and which variable should be write to the PLC. All this you can define in the tags. So right now we are going to connect to AC500 PLC using the Ethernet protocol. So open your program. So this is my program. So what I will do is I have so many variables here. Like this is just a program. So I have what I'm planning to do is I have some global variables, and I'll be using this bit. This is an on-off bit. I will use this bit to show the indication in the HMI, and I will write from HMI to this variable just to show you how you can do it. And I will take one analog value also, probably this one. This is a value that I can change online. So I'll be taking these three values to the HMI. So anyway, to do that, you save your program, okay, then close it, and in the automation builder, what you have to do is you need to right click on the and save this, then you need to right click on the program, and here you have something called as an export. So here you can directly export the symbol file. Click on symbol file. So you can save anywhere, like I'll create a new I'll create a new folder 2, and this will create the simple file. So simple file means that file will contain all your variables declared in the program. Now the simple file is created. You will just see that yeah, the simple file is created. So this is basically the simple file for my program. Now you need to call the simple file into the panel builder. So to do that, you click on tags. Now you have an option to import tag. So this is the option for importing tags. Click on this. Yeah, the codes is version 1.1. Click OK. Now go to the folder where you save the symbol file. Okay. So this will add all the tags to the panel builder. Now you will see the complete variables that I use in the program here. Okay. So now what you have to do is you need to select the variables that is required for your application. So as I said, I will be using 1, 2, 3 just to show you the example, these 3 variables. So I will call these 3 variables here. Yeah, this one. So you need to click this one to add this. So now the tags from the program is added to our panel builder. Now I need 2 more. Yeah, these 2. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will be using this bit, that is heartbeat send 1, to show an changing the color or something. And this one I will create a button and I will write the value to heartbeat receive, this one. And this is speed reference, HMI speed reference, that is this value I will show in the HMI. Okay, so now our tags are created. Now you need to go to the page and we will create some buttons and indications. Okay, so here in the rightmost side you will find the widget gallery. So you click on this and first thing we will add the button. So you have so many shapes, so use the one that you require. Okay, so you can give a name. So I'm going to send a bit from here, so I'll use send. Okay, you can increase the size if you want. Then you need to link the tag that you are going to write. So click here. Now select the one that you. So I'm going to send the value to this one, this variable. Okay, that's it. Your data link has linked that tag to this button. Now I will show this one, the on off bit. I'll show as an indication. So here you have lights. Click on lights. So let me use this. So I will received bit. Okay, now again you need to link the tag. So this is the tag. Okay, so when I click this, I'm going to write a value to the PLC, and when this one is for showing the indication. Now I will show an analog value also. So click again basic. So let's give a name like analog value. And you need a data link for this. So click widget. This is the data link. Now add your tag. So this is my tag. That's it. Now we will download this program to the HMI. So this is the download option. So give your IP address 192.55. Click download. Okay, so now the project is downloaded to the HMI, and you can see the values in the HMI. And to see that, you have ABB gives you a remote monitoring software like a client. So you can use this HMI client. You type your IP address and username, password, admin. Okay, so this is exactly what I see on your physical HMI. This will be the same. So as you can see, I'm getting all the values here. Okay, this is the variable that I am sending, and you can see it is glowing red. And if I click this value should glow green. Yes, when I click, it is glowing green, this value. Now this is the value that I am writing to the HMI 35. So I'll change this. Yeah, okay, so it works. So you can have so many options to make it a little more, beautiful. And you can use this indication. Basically the most important things that you require is this push button to send some value, and this is for receiving like an indication. And you have text, you can write anything, and you can have an analog data link also. So this was just a quick video just to show you how you can do it. And if you like to do it professionally, you can play with the background different kind of buttons, like for example, if you don't want this frame, you can disable the frame. And you can have a background image. So all this is possible. So I think I just cover up only the basics. So this is how you configure your device to communicate with the PLC, and this is how you can read write data. So I hope this was clear to everyone. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day.